Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install any of the packages in RStudio. So basically, packages are a collection of R functions, compiled code and data, which is maintained in a well-defined format. And the path where they are available, it is called as library. So let me share my screen. So this is my RStudio. And if I want to install any package, then I need to write this command, that is install.packages, and in single quote I need to write my package name. So I'm trying to install SQL so I have mentioned that, and I will execute this code now. So in order to execute your code, you can place the cursor here and press Control Enter. You can also execute your code by selecting this entire code, and you can press this run button. In that way also you can execute your code. Now I have executed my code and it is running in the background. Once the execution completes, you'll be able to see the pop-up in the console. See, in the console, we can see the message that the download binary packages are in this path. So now my package has been installed. Now, in order to load my package, I need to write this command, that is library, and enter the package name, SQL. So whenever you want to use this package, you always have to load your library like this. You can also load your library from this side. Just need to check the buttons. So now when my library has been loaded, I'll try to use my SQL. Basically, SQL is a package using which you can write SQL queries in R. So let's see if it is working or not. SQL select start from data. Now I'll execute this code. Yeah, you can see the output that this query is working. So this is how you can install any of the packages in RStudio. You can also install packages with this option here. When you click on the pack under packages, you have install button. When you click on that, you will come here, and in this you can write any library name. You can click on that, and you can install like this. See, install packages dplr, and it is working in the background. So yeah, it's downloading in the background. Once the download will get completed, we can see a pop-up. See, and all the dependency it is trying to install in the background. Yeah, now we can see the download binary packages are in this path. So now my package is installed. So this is how you can install any of the packages in RStudio. If you have any doubt, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.